ultra-sporty coupe SUV market has a massive new disruptor. This is the all-new 2026 Voyah Passion S Tech Dynamic. Weapon designed from the ground up to challenge premium performance crossovers. Dongfeng's luxury arm has taken their flagship nomenclature and completely reshaped it into a regressive, sweeping fastback profile that looks ready to devour asphalt. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we are breaking down why this high-powered electric luxury vehicle is shaking up the performance landscape. Visually, the vehicle is an absolute head-turner, pulling distinct inspiration from modern hyper-luxury utility profiles. Up front, the sharp profile is dominated by a heavily creased, aggressive hoodline. It stretches out to 5,050 millimeters in total length with a sprawling 3-meter wheelbase, keeping the proportions low, wide, and incredibly stable. At the tail end, Voyah went heavy on aerodynamics, integrating dual hollowed-out air deflectors and a large high-speed roof spoiler to maximize rear downforce. Where the Passion leaves traditional luxury rivals behind is its autonomous intelligence suite. Mounted directly to the roofline is Huawei's advanced 896-channel LiDAR system. Backed by the massive compute power of Huawei's Qiankun Intelligent Advanced Driver Assistance System, this setup allows the vehicle to map out tiny road obstacles down to just 14 centimeters high from a staggering 120 meters away in complete darkness. It gives you an executive level of smart cruising safety that feels generations ahead of the pack. Launching in the middle of this year, the 2026 Voyah Passion S proves that pure driving thrills and absolute technological dominance no longer belong exclusively to heritage legacy brands. Would you choose this 637 horsepower beast over established premium rivals? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button to support DRX AUTO MOBI. We will see you guys in the next review.